In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ADD video in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video on your canvas and connect it to a source, whether that's a direct link or a file you upload, so it looks great and loads reliably. First, open your browser and head over to framer.com. Once you're there, navigate to the project you're working on and make sure you're viewing the main canvas. This is the space where all your frames and components live, and it's where your video will be placed. Look to the top left of the interface and click Insert. This opens the panel where you can add new elements to your project. It's the quickest way to bring in ready-made components without hunting through menus. Inside the Insert panel, find the Elements section and select Media. Media is where Framer groups anything related to images, audio, and video, so this is the logical place for what we need. Choose Video from the available options. You're selecting the built-in video component, which gives you an on-canvas placeholder and access to video-specific settings on the right sidebar. Now drag the video component onto your canvas and drop it where you want it to appear. You can align it with your layout, and if you're using frames or auto layout, it will respect those constraints. Feel free to position it roughly for now. You can fine-tune placement and size later to match your design. With the video selected, look to the right-hand properties panel and scroll down until you see the video section. This area controls how your video behaves and, most importantly, where it comes from. In the video section, choose your source. You can paste a URL or upload a file. If you're using a URL, make sure it's a direct link to a video file, such as an MP4 hosted on a reliable server or CDN. Avoid links that point to a watch page. They won't load as a playable file. If you prefer to keep everything inside your project, choose Upload and select a video from your computer. Keep an eye on file size here. Smaller, well-compressed videos load faster and make your page feel more responsive. Once the source is set, the component will display your video on the canvas so you can see how it fits within your layout. From here, you can adjust styling and layout just like any other element, and you'll be ready to build the rest of your page around it. That's it. Your video is added and connected, ready to enhance your Framer project.